The U.S. Supreme Court has just upheld a nationwide ban on TikTok unless it's sold by its Chinese parent company, ByteDance. This decision has sent shockwaves through the tech industry, sparking debates on national security, digital rights, and the future of social media. Is this really about protecting Americans, or is there a larger geopolitical strategy at play? Let's break it all down in detail. On January 17, 2025, in a landmark decision, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled in favor of enforcing a law that would effectively ban TikTok in the United States unless ByteDance divests its ownership. The ruling follows years of heated discussions over the app's security risks and the potential for foreign interference. Lawmakers backing the ban argue that without a change in ownership, TikTok remains a gateway for the Chinese government to collect sensitive user data, influence public opinion, and manipulate online narratives. However, this decision is not without controversy. Free speech advocates claim that banning TikTok infringes on Americans' digital freedoms, while others argue that the U.S. should focus on better privacy laws for all tech companies, not just foreign ones. The Supreme Court's ruling has set the stage for a major legal and technological showdown. Government officials have long claimed that TikTok poses a threat to national security. With over 100 million users in the U.S. alone, the app has access to an enormous amount of data, ranging from personal information to browsing habits. The fear is that ByteDance, under pressure from the Chinese government, could be compelled to share this data, providing Beijing with an unprecedented window into American society. Beyond data security, TikTok's algorithm has raised concerns. Some experts worry that the app could be used as a tool for foreign propaganda, subtly shaping public opinion through selective content promotion. However, TikTok has consistently denied these claims, insisting that U.S. user data is stored securely and not influenced by external actors. Despite these assurances, lawmakers on both sides of the aisle have remained skeptical, pointing to China's strict regulations on American tech companies operating within its borders as justification for similar actions in the U.S. But here's where things get even more complex. Critics argue that this move isn't just about security. It's also about power and control over digital platforms. TikTok has become one of the most influential social media platforms, particularly among younger generations. Its unique algorithm, which promotes viral content based on user engagement rather than traditional social connections, has changed the way people consume media. Many believe that U.S. lawmakers are also motivated by concerns over TikTok's ability to shape political discourse. The platform has been a key hub for political activism, including movements around climate change, racial justice, and economic inequality. Some believe that a foreign-owned platform wielding such influence is a risk that the U.S. government is no longer willing to take. Others argue that this is simply an extension of the broader U.S.-China tech war, where both nations are vying for dominance in the digital economy. So, what now? If ByteDance refuses to sell TikTok, the app could be completely removed from U.S. app stores, making it inaccessible to new users. But will that actually stop people from using it? History suggests otherwise. Many tech-savvy users could turn to VPNs or other workarounds to continue accessing the platform. Additionally, there's the question of enforcement. Would the government really be able to police an outright ban effectively? Meanwhile, the ban could open doors for other tech giants to capitalize on the gap left behind. Platforms like Meta's Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts are already vying for TikTok's user base, making this a potentially lucrative shift for American tech companies. It also raises concerns about monopolization, as TikTok's exit could lead to less competition in the social media landscape. This ruling could fundamentally reshape the future of social media in the U.S. Is it a necessary move to protect national security and digital sovereignty, or is it an overreach of government power? Could this decision set a precedent for banning other foreign-owned apps in the future? And what does this mean for the global internet landscape? We want to hear from you. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you support the ban, or do you think it goes too far? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the biggest issues shaping our future.